Noise, a brand known for its affordable range of earbuds and smartwatches, is taking a bold leap in the premium audio segment with the launch of the new Noise Master Buds Max. These are a pair of wireless earbuds that bring sound by Bose long battery life, premium specs, and features. With the Noise Master Buds Max, the company aims to offer premium experience with features often found in more expensive headphones. These are first unveiled at IFA Berlin 2025 and has been officially released in India. Like the brand's older Master Buds TWS, the headphones also feature sound by Bose technology. It connects via Bluetooth 5.4 with support for high quality audio thanks to LDAC 5.0 support. You get ENC for improved experience with 5 mic setup up to 40 decibels of Adaptive ANC and a dedicated transparency mode. It houses 40 drivers and has a frequency response range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. It has a lightweight design at 262 grams and vegan leather cushions and aerospace grade grills for more premium look. On a single charge, it lasts up to 60 hours, and a quick 10-minute charge offers up to 10 hours of playback. It has IPX4 rating at 10 meters wireless range and auto pairing with the last connected device. They just announced it in three major colors. That'll be onyx, titanium, and silver. It has a launch price of 10,000 Indian rupees and will be available for purchase from the brand's official website, Amazon India, Chroma, Vijay Sales, and Reliance Digital stores.